Hello friends, this is Shardul Deshpande speaking in front of you on our today's topic, that is minimalism. So this word is not common for us and many of you haven't heard it before, because the person who practices minimalism, the person who becomes a minimalist in his life is not really common anymore. He has become the extraordinary person. Let's begin, my friends. What basically minimalism is? Minimalism, it is a tool that helps us in finding freedom. The freedom from fear, freedom from our worries, freedom from being overwhelmed, freedom from guilt, freedom from depression, freedom from being trapped and consuming culture of this world. If you want to set up in a single sentence, then we would say that minimalism, it is a tool to rid yourself of excess life in favor of what is important to you, to find that will help you to get the real happiness, fulfillment and freedom. So when you practice minimalism, and what is beneficial for you, why it is beneficial for you for being the minimalist in your life, because it eliminates your discontent and reclaims your time. We live in the moment, and it helps us to pursue our passion, discover our missions and give us the real experience, give us the experience of the real freedom. Being minimalist teaches us how to create more and consume less. Focus on your health, grow as an individual, how to contribute beyond ourselves and get rid of excess stuffs and declutter all the unimportant things from our life. Minimalism discovers the purpose of our life. Many of the great leaders, successful person, billionaires, millionaires are experiencing minimalism in their life, specifying their names such as Bill Gates, J.K. Rowling, Steve Jobs, uh, and many more. Not even these people, also the Indian origin people are also experiencing the minimalism in their life. That is like Rajnikant, Narayan Murthy, Rahul Dravid, and the list may be going on. So when you see this person in face to face, you will never know that they have that much of fortune in their life, that they are the billionaires, they are that successful in their life. When you see them face to face, because of their appearance, you will find them as a real common person. The fact is that they are successful because of their talent, that is admirable, not their money. And the most impressive thing is that they have managed to live a natural and simple life after being that successful and having that power in their life. So if you want to practice minimalism in your life, you can learn from these people. Now if you are practicing it, how you can check yourself that you have become a minimalist in your life or not? So close your eyes and imagine the success that you want to see it in your future. That if you see yourself to be dreaming of big house, a very brand new car and all the luxurious stuff that you have, then you are not minimalist at it. When you see yourself that you are doing the work that you love, you are spending time with your friends and families, that you are consuming, you are contributing more than consuming, and your actions have great impact on our society, then and then you can only say that you are the minimalist in this world. So there are very few minimalists, means they are like gems and they know what is important to them. They declutter all the unnecessary things from their life. So no matter it may be the objects, or no matter it may be the feelings or the person, the negative person, they declutter everything in their life that is not important to them. Practice this minimalism in his life. Always have one beautiful phrase in your mind, that less is more, less is more, less is more. The more number of times you recall it inside your brain, the more you will understand the meaning of this word. So friends, practice minimalism in your life and live a simple life. Have a great success. Thank you and have a nice day.